Привіт-привіт, мої дорогі друзі! Мене звати Інна. My name is Inna. Вітаю вас на каналі Speak Ukrainian. Welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. Today we are going to learn with you the verb грати, to play, and its different variations and grammar categories. But before we start, I would like to ask you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments about it. Ну що, почнімо? Guys, I got an idea to record a short video lessons for you, where we take one word, I explain you different formation of it and how we put it in different grammar categories and use in different very common expressions, and then you can make examples with it, and I believe it will be very useful. So please let me know what you think about this idea in the comments below. I appreciate your opinion a lot. So my students today misunderstood how to say in the Ukrainian language to play any kind of sport like board games or play music instruments, because we use different prepositions depending what you want to say in different cases. So I wanted to explain you this difference. Let's start with the word гра, first of all. So гра, it means a game. Гра. And we can analyze this is a noun, feminine gender noun. Yes, and гра, if we add the infinitive ending ти, and it becomes грати, we have the verb that means to play. This is infinitive form. And if we add to this infinitive form the reflexive ending ся, гратися. So it means to play oneself. So you can see how we do this formation. Гра, a noun. Грати, ending ти. This is infinitive verb. Гратися, this is reflexive verb. So you can see, we can see this formation. Or we can also say like грайливий, playful, грайливий, and we created the adjective. It's very interesting that we can see the root and then we can add different endings to this root word and create different part of speeches. But we're going to focus today on грати, and different phrases with it. But first of all, let's conjugate it. So грати, to play. Я граю, I play. Ти граєш, you play. Він, вона, воно грає, he, she, it plays. Ми граємо, we play. Ви граєте, you play. This is plural or formal form. And вони грають, they play. Let's repeat the conjugation one more time. Я граю, ти граєш, він, вона, воно грає, ми граємо, ви граєте, and вони грають. So, how do you think? Is it the first or the second conjugation? That's right, this is the first conjugation, and because we can see that this ending ють, when we see the third conjugation plural, the third person plural, вони грають, ють, it shows us immediately that this is the first conjugation group. Or, for example, the personal endings like you, єш, є, ємо, єте, and ють. Так, we can distinguish this is the first conjugation group. Okay, guys, when we talk about different kind of games, including sport games, we use the preposition у or ви after it. Так, я граю у or в, and then you say the name of the game. Наприклад, я граю у футбол. I play football. In the Ukrainian language, literally, we say I play in the football. Я граю у футбол. So, again, we have construction. Грати, to play, у, в, in, then we use accusative case. Please remember, when you play any kind of games. Я граю у теніс. I play tennis. Ми граємо у настільні ігри. We play board games. Ми граємо у настільні ігри. Вони грають у карти. They play cards. Вони грають у карти. Please write your examples for this construction in the comments below. I will check it out. When we play any kind of music instruments, we use different preposition and different case. Pay attention. So we use the verb грати, plus we use the preposition на, then we use the locative case. For example, я граю на гітарі. I play the guitar. Literally, we say in the Ukrainian language, I play on the guitar. Я граю на гітарі, and this is the locative case. Вона грає на піаніно. She plays the piano. But Ina, why it's not pianini? It's a very good question. So pianino, it means piano, and this is an exception. Yes, guys, we have exceptions. And in the Ukrainian language, we have some set of the words. We call them borrowed words, and they're not declined. We don't decline them at all. And these words like pianino, palto, taxi, metro, they are in the list of exception, and we don't decline them at all. So please remember. Or for example, some more examples, yeah? Він грає на контрабасі. He plays the contrabass. Він грає на контрабасі. Вона грає на скрипці. She plays the violin. Вона грає на скрипці. If you play any kind of music instruments, please write in the comments below, but only in the Ukrainian language. So guys, if you have some problems with the accusative or the locative case, I have recorded the video lessons about it, and also you're welcome to check out my textbook, Master Ukrainian Cases. And also I would like to teach you an idiom with the verb грати in the Ukrainian language. So I have an amazing set of the flashcards, 100 Ukrainian idioms, and look at this beautiful box. And here I wrote the most common Ukrainian idioms, and I wanted to show you one of it. Just look at this flashcard. So, грати комусь на нервах is a popular Ukrainian idiom. Literally, it means play on somebody's nerves. The English equivalent is get under the skin. And we have an example. Мій племінник любить грати на нервах своїх батьків. My nephew likes to get under his parents' skin. Грати комусь на нервах. Будь ласка, перестань грати на моїх нервах. Будь ласка, перестань грати на моїх нервах. Please, stop, get under my skin. Так? Or literally it means stop playing on my nerves. It's a very cool idiom. I like it. So guys, on my website, speaker.com, this is the website of my amazing online school Speak Ukrainian. You can find this amazing set of the flashcards, the textbooks, including my baby firstborn Master Ukrainian Cases. You can book a trial lesson just for $1 with a professional teacher from Ukraine. Please support my YouTube channel with your comment, with your donation, or you can become a patron. Дуже дякую for your support and attention. Your teacher Ina, ваша вчителька Ina, and papa, bye-bye.